Part 2 of this tutorial, you will learn more about applying for an SLNC Government and Heritage Library Card online through the library website. You can also find step-by-step instructions for applying online below the video. To apply for an SLNC Government and Heritage Library Card online, first, navigate to the State Library of North Carolina's website at statelibrary.ncdcr.gov. Next, click on Search the Library in the navigational banner at the top of the page. Then, scroll down towards the middle of the page and click on the dark blue button that states Access to Materials/Resources. Click on the red button to the left side labeled GHL Library Card. Once you are on the SLNC Government and Heritage Library Card page, you can read more information on how to apply for a card. Toward the top of the article, you'll see a link for the online library card application form. Click on that link. Then, complete the online library card application form on the page. Be sure to indicate if you are a state employee on the form, and if you're under 16, make sure that you get a parent signature on the form. Then, when you're finished, click Submit Registration. Once your registration has been submitted, it will go into our queue to be processed. The turnaround time for library cards is approximately 2 business days. Once your application has been processed, a Government and Heritage Library staff member will email you. This email will include your SLNC Government and Heritage Library Card number, information on picking up your physical library card, and instructions on how to access print and online resources using your library card. SLNC Government and Heritage Library Cards cannot be sent through the mail. The physical library cards can be picked up on-site by the applicant at our library located at 109 East Jones Street in Raleigh, North Carolina. Hours and directions are available on our website at statelibrary.ncdcr.gov/contact-us. Feel free to check our website or contact the library before your visit to verify current library hours. When you arrive at the library to pick up your library card, notify the staff at the reference desk and we'll be happy to assist you. Remember that when picking up your SLNC Government and Heritage Library Card, you or your parent or guardian, if you're under 16, will need to present a North Carolina driver's license or a state-issued ID. To check out other ways you can apply for an SLNC Government and Heritage Library Card, or to see frequently asked questions about SLNC Government and Heritage Library Cards, click on the respective links in the navigation menu of this tutorial. Also, feel free to contact the library's reference staff via phone at 919-814-6790 or via email at slnc.reference@ncdcr.gov if you have further questions about the library card application process. Thank you for watching this tutorial, and we hope it empowers you to apply for an SLNC Government and Heritage Library Card.